Hi, my name is Song. I'm a co-founder of Mole, and we're a digital business card. So today I'm going to go through a demo of features that Mole has. But before that, just to sum it up, Mole addresses three things in the short term. Firstly, we believe that business cards should be reusable and facilitate efficient networking. Secondly, we believe that beyond that initial interaction, anything that you share should be engaging. And thirdly, all your efforts should be measurable with analytics so you know what's working. So let's go ahead and look at some of the things that Mole does right now. We have this dashboard here. It's pretty self-explanatory. So name, status, profile picture, about section, and bio. A little preview on the right. If I wanted to add more contact info or points of contact, what I do is just click on this and just add it in here or delete it. All of my work information is over here if I'm attached to a company. This is optional, so if I didn't want it, I just leave it blank and it will be hidden from my profile. We also have social links here where we have like a variety of different social platforms that you can add, and they'll be added to the bottom of your profile right here. Let's try that. So moving on, we also have a section where people can add things that they sell. So if let's say I wasn't selling a product, I was selling a service instead, I could just rename this as well, and it changes as a tab on my website. Going into the product editor right here, we have all the necessities where you have a product name, product description, where you can fill it out with content that you want, image, product gallery, and also pricing if let's say it's a product that you want to charge money for. So we also have a variety of different pricing options here where it could be a price range or recurring, or if let's say you don't want to display a price, then you could be inquiry only, meaning to say that you would require somebody to inquire about the price before you tell them about it. Because of the nature of products where you can actually change this into, let's say, portfolio instead, we also have a pricing option which allows you to only showcase it, let's say, if it was your portfolio and you did not want somebody to purchase it, but it's just for show. We also have, of course, free of charge if let's say the product's free of charge. We also have a Linktree-esque feature within individual product pages where we allow people to add any link that they want inside of their individual pages. So it would look something like this, right there. And the buttons that, or the links that you add will be down here. So before I go into the product pages further, let's go into blog as well. So this functions just like you think a blog would. Image, post content, and post tags. What I could also do with this is to change it into, let's say, case study page. If let's say I wanted it to be a blog of case studies, and I'll just put that right inside here. So it tends to be a little bit hard to invite people that you don't expect to your event if let's say you're hosting a webinar or something along those lines. So what you can do is just have public events that are always shown on your profile that you can set to whatever you want, whether it's an online event and you can include like a meeting link, or if it's an actual event in a physical venue. Here. Site settings, if let's say you want to change your Mole link, and these are all where all the analytics tags and stuff are stored. Yeah, basic stuff, email, update password, and this is where you manage your subscription. So we're integrated with Stripe. No, so it just goes to a Stripe portal. For users that want the Mole Smart NFC card, they just click over here to buy a card that links to their profile. Just choose a color and customize their name if they wanted to, and job title and all that, and go through checkout, which is integrated with Stripe. So let me go to the page and we'll go through more of that. Okay, so over here we have all the contact information that we filled out in the dashboard previously. We also have a little contact form here if, let's say, somebody wants to contact you via email. All the events. This is my blog. This is my portfolio. So if somebody wanted to contact me about this, they would just click on this button and all of the contact options that I had added inside my dashboard will appear right here. And depending on whether it's a contact form, whether it's email, or whether it's WhatsApp, WhatsApp just goes straight to the WhatsApp platform. So that's the gist of what Mole offers. Before I forget, we also have the events page where you can easily save events to your calendar, whichever you want. So I hope I've given you a good idea of what Mole is right now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.